Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Poll campaign gains momentum. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addresses poll rally in Manipur. Three senior politicians, including former Minister MM Dango, joins NPP. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and others welcome trio to the party. NPP to field Umsning, MDC Magdalene Saukme from Nongpo, MM Dango from Ranikor Assembly seats in 2023, announces Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong. And Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inaugurates refurbished Susotham Auditorium, flags of the museum on wheels. And now for the news in detail. Political parties have intensified their poll campaign for the subsequent phases in UP and two phases polling in Manipur. Prime Minister Narendra Modi campaigned in Manipur today. Meanwhile, Meghalaya Chief Minister and NPP National President Conrad K. Sangma has downplayed the remark made by Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma against his party, saying that it is an election time. Every political party takes a dig at each other. According to him, whatever is the situation, the scenario would be clear once election results are out. In one of his poll rally, Sarma on Monday mocked ally NPP, saying no one in India knows it and voting for its candidate in Manipur elections would be fruitless as the party has no value. Giving a past intense, Sangma said that during 2017 elections in Manipur too, such statements were made, but after the declaration of results, BJP and NPP formed a coalition government in that state.
Situation was there even before the 2017 election results, and in those situations also similar statements were made in different corners of the state in that election by different political parties. But when the results came out, then the situation was different. So let us wait and see. Speeches are things that we all give, and we will always speak in favor of our political parties and try to push our party forward. That's the nature of of how we are for when it comes to our own political parties.
The National People's Party today got a much-needed shot in the arm in Khasi Jaintia Hills region when Umsning MDC Magdalene Saukme, former Minister and Congress leader MM Dango, and former KHADC MDC from Langren constituency, Man Study Nongram, joined the party on Tuesday. They were welcomed by NPP National President and Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, Deputy Chief Minister and Vice President Preston Tinsong, and State Unit President W.R. Kharki, amongst others, at a meeting held at the party office. Addressing the function, the Chief Minister, while welcoming the trio to the party fold, said that the NPP wanted to serve the people of the state and that should be the driving force. Meanwhile, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong has executed confidence that NPP will get absolute majority in the next assembly elections due in 2023, terming the joining of Magdalene Saukme, Martin M. Dango and Man Study Nongram as a big boost for the party. Tinsong announced that Saukme would be contesting from Nongpo, while Dango would be fielding from Ranikor constituency in 2023 elections. Saukme had decided to quit the People's Democratic Party to contest on an NPP ticket from Nongpo constituency. Dango, meanwhile, said that it was the decision of the people and his supporters who urged him to join and contest the next election from NPP.
My leaders at Ranikor on the 23rd of October, they have gathered. They have unanimously decided Dango should contest again, but which party we will leave up to him. We, all of us wish, through the able leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, Sri Conrad Sangmaji, I think our party will become a single largest majority or absolute majority we can.
We have observed that no other government or party has taken sensitive issue like this government does, and has brought a drastic change in the state. We look forward to work with you hand in hand with your support and your suggestions and your advice. I will try my level best and put my best effort to work for the people of my constituency and for the state as a whole.
With Russia set the stage for a quick move to secure its hold on Ukraine's rebel regions on Tuesday with new legislation, India has stressed on finding a mutually amicable solution to the crisis and called on all sides to exercise restraint. During an emergency session of the United Nations Security Council convened by Ukraine along with the US and the UK, India expressed deep concern over the escalation of tensions along Ukraine's border with Russia. India's permanent representative to the United Nations, T.S. Tirumurthy, said quiet and constructive diplomacy is the need of the hour. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Tuesday inaugurated the refurbished Susutham Auditorium and flagged off the museum on wheels. The commemorative artistic mural was organized by Department of Arts and Culture and as a part of the Golden Jubilee of the statehood of Meghalaya. The program, which was held at the State Central Library Complex, also saw presence of Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong and Sanbor Shulai, Minister in charge Arts and Culture Department. In a separate program, Sangma flagged off an ambulance contributed to the Seng Samla Pillun under Chief Minister's Special Development Fund at Maulai, Nongpdeng. Today, the 22nd February, marks the 50th year of the creation of Jaintia Hills District. Just last month, Meghalaya celebrated the Golden Jubilee of the statehood, and with a gap of 1 month, Jaintia Hills was created. The district administration, however, did not organize any program to mark the day. Several prominent citizens of Jowai rued this. Columnist H. Morman felt that the achievements of the district in the last 50 years should have been highlighted. When asked activist K.L. Paryat, he echoed a similar view.
Kajaj benriu, kaba lendet, kaba kelet, bat kaba berat, ia kathamai, kaba sedang ia kajaj benriu, kato kajaj benriu, nau to kajaj benriu, ke jumma bat ke jummensa, kandan lagi, kalap lupa, nau takada, kanai ke sengi kadai ke singsa kanma, but kami lenti.
Where the Jaintia Hills district as such is in a very sorry state. So, and in fact, it's not surprise that not only the state government has forgotten about the 50 years of district, getting a district in Jaintia Hills, even the district administration also forgot about the importance of today being the day when Jaintia Hills was created.
India added 13,405 new coronavirus infections in a single day, taking the virus tally to 4,28,51,929, while the active cases dipped below 2 lakhs after 49 days on Tuesday. The death toll climbed to 5,12,344 with 235 fresh fatalities. The daily COVID-19 cases have remained below 1 lakh for 16 consecutive days. Meanwhile, in Meghalaya, 42 new cases were reported against 92 recoveries. The state recorded 2 more deaths in the last 24 hours. And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature 15 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 4.5 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 63% and in the evening 63%, rainfall 1.4 millimeters, forecast weather is not most likely to remain dry. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DT News Shillong YouTube channel to tune into our daily bulletin. And now let's have a look at the headlines once again. Poll campaign gains momentum. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addresses poll rally in Manipur. Three senior politicians including former Minister M.M. Dango, joins NPP Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and others welcome trio to the party. NPP to field Umsning MTC Magdalene Saukme from Nongpo, M.M. Dango from Ranikor Assembly seats in 2023, announces Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong. And Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inaugurates refurbished Susutham Auditorium, flags off the museum on wheels. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.